exciting day today. I got off work a little bit early today, 1 hour early. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. I'm gonna go record. I'm gonna get in that studio. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be epic. I don't know if you guys ever recorded in the studio, but gotta keep your voice nice and crispy, and to do that, you always have something warm on you, like a tea or a coffee or something. Where's the speaker? Holy shit, that was like rocket fucking science. This was probably one of the most difficult orders that I've ever made. It was just 2 drinks. Uno, dos.
Thanks for your patience, guys.
Thank you. Jeremiah!
What's happening?
And I'm coming up right now.
Alright, brother.
Okay, bye. We're here with my vlog camera.
You on? You running?
Yeah, we're on right now.
You ready? Yeah, we're on right now.
How you doing, buddy? Oh, it's a cool shirt. You got a hoodie on there, bro.
Yeah, the roof.
These ones are fine.
Hi, Blue. How are you? How you doing?
How you doing?
Good. Long time no see. The monster. How you doing?
Good. Doggies, okay.
Where your brother?
Built the house for my brother.
What the heck?
Built the garage. That was supposed to be the studio live jam room. This is Uncle Jerez. That's Paul Kella, and that's
What's up, buddy? Up for your freaking Camaro, man. What the fuck? Look at that shit. That's my Camaro with shit on his Camaro.
48-volt lithium batteries, man.
Oh, okay.
Two.
That's okay. It's all good.
4 kW with the storage.
It's all good, man.
Most houses run off of that. This is where you're gonna live for a while. And this was the.
Sure.
Goes into the studio.
Oh, look at that collection. Check it out, guys.
73. And then I my custom pick that his blues with the original lineup. And that was, I knew was gonna be my last show.
Oh wow, this is a beautiful extension. Holy crap! This is where the magic happens.
That's where the work happens.
When I say magic, I mean right music.
Oh no, that's his monkey pod.
Monkey pod.
Yeah, here, get the sexual lights going on.
Oh, damn.
There's not in the other room. I'll dim it for you when you scream, make it all pretty. Metallica, Guns N' Roses. Everybody else is using this right now. My interface. This is how everything's controlled from my iPad now. It connects to that. I control everything from here.
So 60 grand altogether.
Yeah. And then all the
Invested.
wood, the material invested. Yeah. The curtains right here was about 5 grand just
What?
for 1, 2, 3 curtains. It's the realest I could get to mainland quality in my room. This is Orion. It is an Ibanez. As a custom, everybody got the straps and the little zip ties over here. I got a custom made wire muting thingy that Blue Augustine made me. Custom made Aero pickups, sponsored by Evertune Bridges. This company right here. His name is Cosmos, the owner. Super cool guy. He constructed this custom made Evertune just for this guitar. And this is what an Evertune looks like. Some crazy science went into that. You route out all the wood in the guitar to put this thing in.
Oh,
I call this one K2. This is core. Aero pickups again with ebony caps. This is wood on the top. Pop and pull switch for my pickups. Ebony neck. Bubinga neck in the back. This
In the middle.
is the little stringers.
Right.
They're Coca-Colas. When you sand them, they're toxic.
That's great to have that right where your hand is.
Yeah.
Man.
This is a solid chunk of core. And we got some real bolts holding down the neck. It's, prototype. This is my gigantic maxi pad.
Bro, let's get this on the road, man. I'm ready, dude.
Yeah. Okay, so.
What's up, guys? I'm in the Main and Pain Studios right now. I'm gonna record the track number 3 to the 3rd album, Metatron. I swear I wrote this song like in 30 minutes after I heard the first track. I'm stoked. I'm gonna throw it down. I'll see you guys later.
So it's you got him good at dude.
Check. I'm not redlining. Yay! Roar! It doesn't really matter. I can still do it. Play back. playback. So guys, that's a wrap for tonight. I finished my vocals. We got a little bit more things to add to the song, but for now, I got the MP3. I'm gonna listen to it, see what I can do with it. Jeremiah, want to say anything? That's what it sounds like, guys. Super fun, super great experience. I'll see you guys later.
Sounds of the senseless inside you commences to burn at the stake. You burn at the stake. You burn at the stake.